Hello guys, so I'm back with one more video related to book review and we are going through book called as The Magic of Thinking Big. And in today's video, I'm going to explain you one of the most important things in your life, that how to build successful and positive vocabulary. Now there are 4 ways that are explained in this book, the same book which we are going through. First and most important, to develop the big thinkers vocabulary, first thing is, if someone anytime asks you, how are you? कोई आपको पूछता है भाई कैसा है, तुम्हाला कोणी विचारतं तुम्ही कसे आहात, usually people say ठीक है, I'm fine, I'm good. Some of us say भाई कट रही है जिंदगी, चल रहे कट रहे दिन, ऑफिस में आता हूं, काम करता हूं, घर जाता हूं. One should replace this, and under the positive vocabulary you should use the words like I'm feeling wonderful, the day was awesome and I'm looking forward to one more amazing day. I'm fine, मुझे बहुत energetic feel हो रहा है. I'm good, I'm grateful, I'm wonderful, I'm happy. You should use positive words when someone asks you, आप कैसे हो? How are you? You should not end up saying good, ठीक हूँ यार. Not like this. You should use positive words. Because when you say that ठीक हूँ, कट रही है जिंदगी, जा रहे दिन, immediately from next moment onwards, you will even feel worse. आपको और बुरा लगने लगेगा. Because जो आप इधर enter करोगे वही बाहर आएगा. So make sure you always reply saying I am wonderful, thanks, and how are you? Say great, fine. Use positive words when someone asks you how are you. This is the first thing. Second and most important, many times it happens at our workplace or with our friends, someone asks us about the other person, the third person, and we start with bad words. We say अरे वो ऐसा ही है यार, वो कुछ काम नहीं करता. We use negative words. Always make sure, it happens with me also, because at the workplace there are few people, at every workplace there are few people who don't work effectively, and hence the teamwork doesn't move ahead in a good manner. But always make sure you avoid talking negative words about the third person. You should say, he's really fine fellow. They tell me he's working out wonderfully. Use positive words for the third person, because sometimes it may happen कि अभी आप उनके बारे में बुरा बोल दो, दूसरे लोगों के से उनको समझे कि आप उनके बारे में बुरा बोल रहे थे, तो आपका रिलेशन और खराब हो सकता है. सो सेकेंड एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू डेवलप बिग थिंकर्स वोकैबुलरी इज, दूसरों के बारे में उनके पीठ पीछे गलत बात मत बोलो. टॉक पॉजिटिव थिंग्स अबाउट द पर्सन. एवरी पर्सन इज हैविंग सम पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट्स. I know there are negative aspects with everyone, every single person, including me. There are a few negative aspects, but you should try to highlight positive aspects about the persons in your workplace, be it your friends or your family members or relatives. Okay, this is second thing. Third and most important thing, what happens is many times काम तो हम कर लेते हैं लोगों से, but we never appreciate them. We never give compliments to them. Every one of us on this planet, every single human being wants to be loved, wants to be appreciated. सिंपल सी बात है, घर में अगर आपकी सिस्टर इन लॉ या आपकी मदर कुछ टिफिन बना रही है, आपके लिए कुछ खाना बना रही है, कभी कभार बोल दो ना यार, माँ आज बहुत अच्छा फूड बना है. सिस्टर, टुडे द टी वॉज रियली वेरी अमेजिंग, इट वॉज रियली वेरी रिफ्रेशिंग. Okay, at your workplace, if someone has done some good work, make sure you appreciate them, because appreciation is more valuable than anything else. If you do any kind of work and if you don't get appreciation, next time you feel like अरे भाई कोई appreciate ही नहीं कर रहा. बाकी monetary returns वगैरह तो छोड़ दो, but if none of the person in your workplace or in your friends is not appreciating you, you feel dull. Everyone needs appreciation. So always make sure, this is third important point, that you appreciate your family members, your wife, your friends, your colleagues, your parents. You should tell them, I love you. You should tell them, you are a great person. You should tell them, I have learned these things from you. It will help them to stay motivated. It will make them happy. Imagine आपको कोई बोल रहा है, भाई तू ये बहुत अच्छा काम किया, भाई अगर तू ये काम नहीं करता ना तो नुकसान हो जाता. Like, always make sure that you notice and compliment the people who work with you. Compliment people on their appearance, their work, their achievements, their families. कौन सी भी चीज आपको दिखे अच्छी दिख रही है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट करो. And fourth and last thing, many times it happens that we try to work out with some project, but at the beginning of the project itself we talk about negative things. We say, अरे भाई ये बहुत टफ लग रहा है, मुझे नहीं लगता ये प्रोजेक्ट वर्कआउट होगा. So that is what is creating a negative sentiment about your own work. Avoid that. Make sure you say, wow, this is an amazing opportunity for all of us to work together to bring out something more productive. You can say, wow, I am excited to do this work. Yes, I can achieve something out of this work. Because when initially itself you suppress the positive sentiments about your work, you are not going to get good results, or if you are going to get the good results, they are going to get postponed. So make sure use positive words to outline plans to others. अगर आप साथ में मिलकर कोई दोस्त प्लान कर रहे हो, बिजनेस का प्लान कर रहे हो या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट का प्लान कर रहे हो, talk about positive things about the project. Talk about the outcome which is going to help you to become a good human being or good businessman or good academician or good what you can say entrepreneur, anything. So it is very important, whether we like it or not, we got a job to do. आप कुछ भी करो, आपको काम तो करना है, तो पॉजिटिवली बात करो उसके बारे में. बिल्ड कैसल्स, डोंट डिग ग्रेव्स. हम बोलते हैं ना मराठी में, स्वतःसाठी खड्डे खणू नका, पॉझिटिव्हली वागा. सो दीज आर द 4 ways you can build big thinkers vocabulary. First, always use cheerful words when someone asks you how are you. Second, use bright cheerful words for your colleagues, for your friends, for your family members and relatives if someone asks you about the third person. Third, always make sure you appreciate other person's, what you can say, achievements, their appearance, their work. And fourth and most important, always use positive words to outline the plans to others. I hope you have loved these inputs from this amazing book. I would love if you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can put out more work, and that will act as appreciation for me. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.